Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to spot for in-depth, honest reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Winco XLB 1000, 68-aughts commercial electric Accelmix blender, designed to elevate your kitchen game. Whether you're a chef at a bustling restaurant or just a home cook who loves powerful performance. So, what does this commercial-grade blender bring to the table? And is it really worth your investment? Let's break it down. The Winco XLB 1000 is a 68-aughts blender packed with a 2 HP motor. Yes, you heard that right. A 2-horsepower motor that promises to crush through ingredients like they're nothing. This powerful motor is designed for those tough blending tasks, from smoothies to soups, sauces, and even purees. The blender boasts a durable, BPA-free container that holds up to 68 ounces of ingredients. It's also heat-resistant up to 226 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for those hot foods that need blending straight from the stove. And when it's time to clean up, the container is dishwasher safe, which makes life a little easier in any high-paced kitchen. One of the standout features here is the impact-resistant stainless steel blades. Whether you're blending thick, chunky sauces or silky smooth purees, these blades are built to last through daily commercial use without dulling. This is not just for home kitchens, but for places where speed and durability are non-negotiable, like restaurants and hotels. But power isn't the only thing that matters. This blender also has a variable speed control with a pulse function, giving you more precision over your blends. The paddle controls make it easy to adjust the speed, so whether you're crushing ice for cocktails or blending a delicate soup, you can dial in exactly what you need. The removable container cap is another nice touch. It allows you to add ingredients mid-blend without having to stop the process, making it even easier to tweak your recipe as you go. When it comes to using the Winco XLB 1000, setting it up was straightforward. The controls are intuitive, and I didn't find myself fumbling around trying to figure out how to adjust the speed. I took it through a variety of tests, blending smoothies with frozen fruit, pureeing hot soups, and making a thick hummus from chickpeas. The results were impressive across the board. The blender handled frozen ingredients with ease, and there was no hesitation or lag when I switched between different speeds. The pulse function was also responsive, providing the right texture when needed. One thing I will say is that it's definitely louder than a typical home blender, but that's to be expected with a 2 HP motor powering through tough ingredients. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the power of the motor cannot be overstated. It's a real beast when it comes to handling both hard and soft ingredients. The construction is solid, and the stainless steel blades are definitely built for the long haul. Another great plus is the ease of use. The controls are simple, and the ability to add ingredients mid-blend is incredibly convenient, especially for busy kitchens where multitasking is key. The large 68-aughts container is also a win, providing enough capacity for large batches, making it perfect for commercial kitchens. On the downside, while the performance is top-notch, the noise level might be a deal-breaker for some, especially in a smaller, quieter kitchen environment. Also, for those looking for a sleek, modern design, this blender might look a bit utilitarian. It's built for function, not form. Another minor drawback is the size. This is not the type of blender you'll be storing in a small kitchen cabinet. It takes up space, so make sure you have the room for it. When it comes to value for money, the Winco XLB 1000 is priced at the higher end of the spectrum, and for good reason. The 2 HP motor and commercial-grade durability set it apart from your typical home blender. If you're looking for something to handle heavy-duty blending, and you don't mind the noise, it's worth the investment. When compared to other commercial blenders in this range, like the Vitamix 5200 or the Blendtec Total Blender, the Winco XLB 1000 stands out for its combination of power and durability at this price point. While it may lack some of the more advanced features of other high-end blenders, like touchscreens or preset programs, it certainly holds its own in terms of performance. In terms of build quality, the Winco XLB 1000 is a workhorse. The stainless steel blades, heat-resistant container, and commercial-grade motor all point to a long lifespan, especially with regular maintenance. However, like any commercial appliance, it will benefit from careful handling to avoid wear and tear, especially when used in high-traffic environments. Based on the brand's reputation and the material quality, I'd say this is a product you can expect to last for several years. But just remember, this is a professional-grade tool, not a lightweight, throwaway blender. As for customer service, I haven't had to reach out for any support with this unit, but Winco has a solid reputation in the commercial kitchen equipment space. They've been known to handle any issues promptly, and with a product like this, you can usually rely on good service when you need it. Let's wrap it up. The Winco XLB 1000 is an impressive piece of equipment for anyone running a busy kitchen or for anyone who needs a serious high-performance blender. It offers great power, durability, and functionality for a commercial blender at this price range. While it's not without its drawbacks like the noise level and size, it does exactly what it's supposed to do, and it does it well. If you need a blender that can handle the rigors of commercial use and you're looking for something that delivers consistent results, this one's definitely worth considering. If you're on the fence about the Winco XLB 1000, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts. If you've already used it, we'd love to hear your experience. And remember, the link to purchase is in the comments box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep blending like a pro with Reviews Inside TV